The Apex Court, in its ruling, dismissed the appeal by the presidential candidate of the People Democratic Party, Atiku Abubakar, and his Labour Party counterpart, Peter Obi. A 7-judge panel ruled that the appeal was without merit, following opposition appeals over claims of fraud, electoral law violations, and Tinubu's ineligibility to run for president. The Apex Court trashed all the grounds of appeal of Atiku and PDP on qualification, non-compliance with the Electoral Act, the 25% vote in FCT, and electoral malpractice. The Apex Court affirmed the earlier decision of the tribunal delivered on 26 September 2023 in dealing with the Labour Party presidential candidate on the issue of double nomination of Vice President Kashim Shettima. The court held that the issue had been dealt with in its ruling on May 26th.
I must emphasize that the matter under which the application is brought is an appeal in an election petition. It is tried that election petition proceedings are sui generis. It has its own set of laws and rules which a court must recognize and enforce. See Buhari and Yusuf, Egbarioba and Erobo, all citations supplied. In the circumstance of this case, this court, in determining this motion, has to take into consideration the peculiarity of the instant appeal, which is an appeal against the judgment of the Court of Appeal, sitting as the Presidential Election Petition Court, based on the provisions of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the Electoral Act 2022. I have carefully perused page 1 of volume 1 of the Record of Appeal, and it is very clear that the petition giving birth to this appeal, and particularly this application, was filed on the 21st of March 2023, which was the last day of the 21 days prescribed in Section 285 sub 5 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended for filing of election petitions after announcement of result of election.
An election appeal court last month already rejected the two main opposition party petitions, including allegations of fraud, violations by the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, and claimed Tinubu did not meet the constitutional requirement. Along with its original claims, Atiku legal team has also sought to introduce new evidence. A claim shows Tinubu submitted a forged certificate from the Chicago State University as a qualification to the Election Commission when he applied to run for president. The president and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, President Bola Tinubu, received with joy at his office when some of his staff and others broke the news of his victory at the Supreme Court.
Gentlemen, congratulations, Mr. President. Having been confirmed by the Supreme Court as the 5-star general, yes, as the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you. Congratulations, Your Excellencies.
Vowing an agenda of renewed hope, President Bola Tinubu took office in May and has quickly introduced reforms in government says will help grow Africa's largest economy and attract more foreign investment. Naomi Omasho reporting for BTV News.